Hey, you're listening to Mr. Abeck's podcast, and today we are discussing two most interesting topics. And I can assure you, you won't regret if you watch this video until end. So let's begin then. So our first topic is little blue boys. Little blue boys are not boys. They're about El Nino and La Nino. La Nino is a girl, and El Nino is a boy. So I did a lot of research on it, so please watch this video until end, so you'll be able to get some informations about El Nino and La Nino. La Nino is a girl who is mainly modified to make our earth colder, and El Nino is a boy who is mainly modified to make our earth hotter. So as a consequence of making our earth hotter, El Nino is causing global warming. Global warming is not good thing, but today's topic is mainly correlated with global warming. Global warming is spreading all over the world, and in Peru's capital it's much more worse than on average. So in Lima, it's not very good. They're not on a good position. There is not any winter on Lima. They are suffering from floodwaters, and let's discuss floodwaters. Floodwaters are something that comes when ice melts. And ice is melting, and as a consequence of that, floodwaters are coming to Lima, and Lima is doing its best to defend from floodwaters. They are using sewage to maintain their water. So they are using floodwaters to on a good ways. If you read this article, you will be able to understand the meaning of this sentence. So just read that article. So another thing is that it's going to be very bad for Lima, because if it continues, they won't be able to see any winter. It's too hot on there, and they are making a lot of big kind of things to defend themselves. If you wanna watch that kind of stuff, just search on YouTube. Just write Lima's winter position, or winter in Lima, or that kind of stuff. To be honest, I'm really interested in El Nino and La Nino. I would actually recommend you to watch any video related to El Nino and La Nino, because it's very vital thing to discuss. So our second topic is the worm's return. The worm's return means not kind of worms are returning. It's about people who left their countries and coming back to their countries. Yeah, okay, people in Cuba are leaving their countries, and their government is upset about that. And in order to maintain their population, their government are trying to do their best. They're trying to make living on that country much more easier than it is currently. So in order to make that very easy, they need to end revolution in money. It's kind of, I don't know, I can't remember the real thing. It's about, okay, I remember, it's about inflation. They are going to end the inflation in order to maintain their population. Yeah, that's kind of a good quote to mention. So that's what I got to you for today's episode. If you like this video, please press like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our next episodes. So see ya, bye, peace.